especially in the Indian subcontinent. Some of the key things that we need.
MashaAllah. And we've got
Probably one of the most amazing experience of our lives in terms of the hospitality that we received, the kindness of the people, the scenery was stunning.
Is it a Pakistani issue? Is it Indian issue? Is it Kashmiri issue?
But we should do something more than that. That we, where is the biggest democracy?
Few debate in House of Commons. I mean, I would say that because there are quite a few councillors there, I would like to say that we all can do quite a bit from the council.
We are very thoughtful, planned what we're going to do.
to a Labour headquarters.
You are safe.
The whole of my life.
You are safe.
I am here because I'm a member of the Rotary Club that Lord Mountbatten was a member of, and he wrote to Harry Singh, and he
town to town, city to city, they are concerned and they are doing their jobs. They're trying their best level.
Together and way forward. Raja Najab Hussain, he's doing some work on the self-determination of Kashmir. We had a meeting the other day in the House of Commons. A few members of Parliament came along.
From different parts of the country. I take it that you travel from Southampton. There are people who travel from other.
Leave to somebody else what he do. When we do our teaching, I work in the factory, and I said to that person that.
I've been listening all this debate. I mean, also Abbasi Sabir saying everybody.
Of them. If there's a war broken, that war will.
We have been focused previously, I think, on Member of Parliaments
to project the Kashmir issue in a proper way in UK on international platform.
Ziyaret